Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download your Bitcoin wallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Bitcoin wallet and search. Look for the Bitcoin and crypto DeFi wallet from bitcoin.com. Once you end up in this page, tap on install to begin downloading the application. Bitcoin.com wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet which allows you to store and manage multiple cryptocurrencies, send and receive cryptos, swap between cryptocurrencies, buy and sell cryptocurrencies, and much more. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a few minutes. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the application. And that is how you should be able to download Bitcoin wallet app on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.